Imagine waking up and saying, "Take care of all my work today." Your AI assistant reads your emails, schedules your meetings, writes a business plan, designs a logo, creates a promo video, and even clones your voice for the narration. That sounds like science fiction, but it's already starting to happen. And over the next 5 to 10 years, artificial intelligence will change the world in ways most people still underestimate. So what is AI? Artificial intelligence is technology built to do tasks that normally need human intelligence. It can learn from data, recognize patterns, solve problems, and make decisions. Unlike traditional software, which follows fixed rules, AI improves as it gets more information. That ability to adapt is what makes it so powerful. Today, AI comes in many forms. Text AI can write scripts, emails, resumes, blog posts, code, and even business plans. Image AI can turn a simple description into logos, thumbnails, posters, portraits, or realistic product shots. Video AI can generate ads, shorts, animations, and even digital actors. Voice AI can clone voices, create narration, dub films, and read audiobooks. Music AI can produce lyrics, melodies, instrumentals, and full songs. Coding AI helps build websites, apps, games, and automation tools. And business AI is already helping companies with support, marketing, sales, accounting, and data analysis. What can AI create today? Nearly everything digital: images, videos, music, presentations, books, comics, websites, software, social content, and more. The speed is what makes it revolutionary. Tasks that once took days or weeks can now be done in minutes. Will AI replace jobs? Some jobs will disappear, yes, but new ones will also appear, like AI prompt engineer, AI video creator, AI trainer, AI automation expert, and AI consultant. History shows that every major technology changes work, but it also creates new opportunities for people who adapt. Still, AI has limits. It cannot truly feel emotions, make moral judgments, or replace real human experience, intuition, and relationships. It can imitate creativity, but it doesn't live a life. That remains our advantage. In the future, AI could become a doctor, teacher, lawyer, accountant, designer, editor, and assistant, all in one. Self-driving cars, personalized education, smarter healthcare, and AI-powered robots may become normal. AI will likely touch almost every industry. The real question is not whether AI is coming, it's whether we will learn to use it. Because in the future, AI won't just replace people. People who use AI well will replace people who don't.